Big Bang Theory is the worst.
I don't understand
sitcom
how you
show
can't like
ever.
it, because the more I watch 2.5 Men,
I'm not a massive fan of 2.5 Men.
well, you're wrong. The 2.5 Men is written by the same person that wrote Big Bang.
Yeah, I'm not a massive fan of either of those.
And you can see the similarities in the storylines.
Yeah, and I'm not a massive fan of either of those.
They're just great.
Big Bang
Absolutely
Theory
great.
is for people that think they're smart so they can watch something that actually is really dumb.
That's not true.
It is. Big Bang Theory, I'm sorry, is the worst sitcom.
No, you're wrong.
No, I'm not.
You're
It's
wrong.
Just...
It wouldn't have done well if people didn't like it.
Yeah, no, I agree with that, but I just don't like it.
Mind you, I don't understand why Brooklyn Nine-Nine is allowed.
allowed.
It's just terrible.
Because it's silly.
It's just stupid.
But it doesn't try too hard. That's why I like
it does
it.
try too hard. It's so over the top.
No, but not try too hard as in like try and punch above its weight. It knows it's silly. It knows it's dumb. That's where it sits. You know, if you ever had an interview or seen what Andy Samberg is, he's the guy that is in, not Lonely Planet, Lonely Island. The band that done songs like I'm on a boat with T-Pain, I've just had sex. Like awful songs, but they're just ridiculous.
Oh, yeah. I just...
Yeah, that's Andy Samberg.
Oh, yeah. Is that the lead guy in
Yep.
Brooklyn Nine-Nine? Yeah.
And you know what I like?
My pants.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You know what I like about 9/9 as well?
What's this?
Is they had rough frames for the characters. They did. They knew roughly what they wanted, but they created the characters around the actors they hired. So once they knew who they wanted to play those roles, they shaped the characters around. So that's why Terry feels super authentic. That's why Charles Boyle feels super authentic, because they have based these characters around their personality.
That's why it feels very cobbled together. A bit rubbish.
Big Bang Theory sucks.
So good. But yeah, I put on a TV series that I've seen 1,000 times that I don't need to pay attention to, because then I don't have to engage my brain while I'm watching it, and I can just sort of fall asleep. Like the volume isn't too loud. Like I close my eyes, go like half under the duvet, and then I can't see it, so it's like, there's no light. It's like it's fine. Maybe stick the TV on timer. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes, like last night, I waited for Soph to turn it off, which usually wakes me up because she has to clamber over me to get to the remote.
This is something but just between you and I and the millions of people watching. But it's something I worry about with finding a partner, is like I don't really need much. I don't need any stimulation to fall asleep, which is ironic to say that people need stimulation to fall asleep. You know, I know a friend that just literally puts his laptop on playing like ambient music.
We have ambient music playing as well.
Yeah, like someone puts on shows and stuff. Some people put on podcasts. I'm like, no, I'm sorry. The room will be silent and the room will be black. And this is it. No stimulation and out. Like we're going to bed. So yeah, it's something I worry about. As if they're like, oh no, I've got to have music playing. I'm like, no, you don't. Got to have a movie playing. No, you don't.
Yeah.
You can sleep in a different room, love.
You need to make a document of like my things that are completely banned, things that are semi-allowed, and things that are okay.
Have you heard there's a rule that I heard from a psychologist when it comes to relationships? You get 3, I think it was 3 to 5 non-negotiables. They are yours. If someone, you cannot, the other person has to respect them. You know, like they can be whatever you want them to be as well. So I have to go to the gym 5 times a week. If that is your thing, that has to be a statement for you in the relationship. The rest should be fluid. You should be able to adjust to them.
Yeah.
Which I thought was really cool.
But I think it's because people fundamentally don't care about any more than 3 things.
Maybe.
Like, as long as I can work 14 hours a day if I want, as long as I can... No, that's it.
You've got one.
Yeah.
And that's the one you want.
Yeah. Like, I will trade... Like, I wouldn't trade that for anything. I would trade pretty much everything else, which is why my sleep schedule's all over the place, which is why
I've got one too. Just one.
the room must be pitch black.
No, they can't watch Big Bang Theory.
Anything but that, please. It's really, when I first started going out with Soph, she'd never watched Big Bang. And she was like, I hate it, it's horrible. So I was clever. I showed her Young Sheldon first.
Never watched it, never will.
Well, you need to give it a shot. You'll
Nope.
like it. And so I introduced her to that. And she'd never watched How I Met Your Mother either. So
Great show.
we had to watch
We're
that.
in agreement with that.
Yeah, that.
Better than Friends. At me, everybody.
Is it better than
It's better than Friends. For one solid reason. The laughing track. They both have laughing tracks. But How I Met Your Mother doesn't stop the dialogue because of it. The laughing track is still there. People still laugh over it. But Friends, they stop the dialogue. They make a joke, laugh. Make a joke, laugh. I'm like, that's so... The conversation isn't natural. It
But
doesn't
they were the
feel...
first ones to make a show.
Yeah,
like
and
that,
it's fucking awesome. I'm not saying Friends is bad at all. But How I Met Your Mother is better, in my opinion.
Yeah.
I know it's wrong on average.
How I Met Your Mother is very good. I don't think we have to pick one that's better than the other. I think that
We do.
Big Bang, Friends,
Sucks. Good.
How I Met Your Mother.
The best.
They're all on equal playing field.
Disagree.
They're the three, aren't
No,
they?
they're not.
Really?
No, they're
like what are the others then?
Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
That's
I would be up
not
there.
even in the same realm.
I think
New Girl? What about New Girl?
No, I think Parks and Rec should be up there.
Not seeing it.
Good. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
I think if I had to put... Oh, I assume we're not putting animated in there.